One of the most important circuits used in an electrical system are control and command circuits. These circuits are used to control the operation of the equipment, in other words. To control the power circuit, command circuits always occupy a large part of industrial circuits in such a way that it is rare to find devices in which only the power circuit is used. The control and command devices that were created in the beginning were based on the operation of the contactors and were based on the connection and disconnection of circuit contacts in different positions. In these contactor circuits, the contactors are considered as the core of the circuit and the disconnection and connection of the power circuit is done by these devices. With the advancement of digital science, advanced controllers were created that provided many capabilities to the designer by having the ability to program. Nevertheless, contactor circuits are still widely used due to reasons such as simplicity, cheapness, repairability, etc. Most consumers and industries are electric motors, and most of the processes are controlled by electric motors. For this reason, complex and diverse control circuits have been created for electric motors. Therefore, electric motor control panels have become very important in terms of control circuits.